Ever wondered how to effortlessly earn $400 a day without breaking a sweat? Looking to earn big with minimal effort? Today, I'm unveiling a game-changing income stream accessible to anyone. Wondering how it works, how much effort it takes, and if it's truly feasible? Stick around as I answer these burning questions. Get ready to surpass your financial goals. I've curated invaluable insights from running multiple YouTube channels. Plus, I'll offer exclusive tips to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Now, are you someone who always had a knack for turning simple ideas into something bigger? Perhaps you've dabbled in content creation before, or maybe you're just naturally creative. Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can leverage that skill to tap into a lucrative opportunity online without even needing to be in front of the camera. Let me tell you a story about someone who decided to take their creative talents and turn them into a successful online venture. This individual realized there's a vast market for engaging videos on platforms like YouTube. But here's the kicker. They weren't spreading hours scripting, filming, and editing each video themselves. Instead, they found a tool that does all the heavy lifting for them. This tool, called InVideo AI, is a game changer for anyone looking to break into the world of YouTube automation. With its features like auto-generated scripts, background music, subtitles, and even voice cloning, creating high-quality videos has never been easier. Now let's talk about the payout. By harnessing the power of YouTube automation, you can create a passive income stream that continues to generate revenue for you long after the initial video is posted. Imagine earning thousands of dollars every month from videos you made years ago. That's the potential of this business model. But here's the best part. I'm not just here to talk about it. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started with YouTube automation using InVideo AI. From choosing your niche to optimizing your videos for maximum views, I've got you covered. And that's how you leverage your creative skills to tap into the world of YouTube automation. Now, are you excited to start creating your own content? Maybe you really wanted to start a long time ago, but you're just too shy to show your face to the camera. But not anymore. I want to tell you that you're not alone. There are many determined individuals captivated by the ever-expanding world of online content creation. They've observed the meteoric rise of motivational channels on platforms like YouTube and recognize an opportunity to make their mark. But they're not content with merely riding the wave of generic motivational content. They're determined to carve out a niche of their own, one that delves deep into the intricacies of mindset. With their insights set on creating compelling videos that inspire and motivate, they turn to an innovative tool known as InVideo AI. Armed with nothing but their creativity and a detailed prompt, they set out to craft a captivating video exploring their chosen niche. Let's say the niche is psychology, the difference between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. Their vision is clear: to demonstrate how embracing a growth mindset can unlock boundless potential and pave the way for extraordinary success in life. With meticulous attention to detail, they specify the tone, voice, and even request subtitles to ensure their message resonates with viewers on a profound level. As the AI works its magic, they take advantage of the downtime to sign up for a free account, eager to explore the platform's full potential. In just a matter of moments, their video is ready for viewing. Impressed by the speed and accuracy of the AI, they eagerly dive into the editing capabilities, marveling at the simplicity of making tweaks with just a few text commands. From adding subtitles to adjusting the voiceover and injecting humor into the intro, they discover the endless possibilities for enhancing their content and captivating their audience. With each adjustment, they feel more empowered to unleash their creativity and produce content that truly stands out in a crowded digital landscape. And so, armed with the power of InVideo AI and their own boundless creativity, they set out on a journey to inspire, motivate, and empower others through the art of online content creation. And that's how they leverage the potential of InVideo AI for their content creation. But, do you want to take your content creation game to the next level? Perhaps you have skills in video production and are looking for that extra edge to set your content apart. Well, what if I told you that InVideo AI has a groundbreaking feature that allows you to infuse your AI-generated videos with your own voice with any recording at all? Imagine this. You're a dedicated content creator striving to connect with your audience on a deeper level. You understand the importance of authenticity in every video you produce, but you're also mindful of the need for efficiency in your workflow. That's where this revolutionary feature comes into play. Introducing the ability to clone your own voice using AI-generated videos. This innovative feature empowers you to add a personal touch to your content, making it more relatable and engaging for your viewers. But how exactly does it work? Here's the scoop. With this platform, you can easily upload a recording of your voice, granting permission for it to be utilized in your videos. Gone are the days of needing expensive recording equipment. All you need is your smartphone or laptop to get started. Once your voice recording is uploaded, the system works its magic, seamlessly integrating your voice into your videos. But that's not all. You can also utilize your cloned voice across multiple videos, ensuring consistency and authenticity throughout your content. And if you are not satisfied with your previous AI-generated voiceovers, fear not. This tool allows you to effortlessly swap them out for your own voice. Now, let's talk about the benefits of upgrading to the paid plan. Not only does it remove watermarks from your videos, but it also unlocks all of the premium features, including voice cloning and access to top-tier stock footage. Plus, with the platform's mobile app, you can make edits and adjustments on the fly, ensuring that your content is always on point. So, are you ready to elevate your content creation game? Click the link in the description to get started for free. With the ability to create up to 5 videos per week at no cost, there's no reason not to give it a try. However, if you are serious about taking your YouTube automation game to the next level and producing watermark-free premium content, consider upgrading to the paid plan for just $20 a month. Why is this the best software? Well, if you love creating content, your skills, your busy schedules, your techie problems won't matter anymore. Because with InVideo AI, you can take your skills to the next level. Let me tell you a story. Imagine someone who started just like you, passionate about making videos, but struggling to stand out in the crowded online world. Then, they discovered a game-changing platform called InVideo AI. With this tool, they transformed their content creation process and achieved remarkable success. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. InVideo AI is more than just another software. It's an all-in-one platform designed to supercharge your YouTube automation journey. But let me be clear, overnight success doesn't exist. Like any business venture, it requires dedication, time, and a solid strategy. Before we proceed, have you checked out my other videos about YouTube automation? If not, I highly recommend it. It's packed with invaluable insights to help you navigate the world of content creation. Back to the story. Picture someone within a year who grew not one but 2 thriving YouTube channels. They monetized both within 6 months, proving that patience and persistence pay off. But here's the catch. Success hinges on passion. Choose a topic you genuinely love, and the journey becomes a lot more enjoyable. Now let's talk about timing. Monetization might happen in a month or a year. It varies. What matters most is your strategy and how quickly you gain traction. Remember, my free course covers everything you need to succeed in YouTube automation. So if you haven't already, dive into that resource. And hey, while you're at it, show some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel. Your support fuels my mission to share the latest side hustles and provide free education. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.